I'm so excited because we're about to do my first factory tour. Hey guys, it's Anton Hall from LA Coffee Club out here in Montebello checking out the Wilbur Curtis factory. We're going to be getting a tour from the great-grandson of Wilbur Curtis, and we're going to check out all of the cool brewing equipment. Hopefully we get to test out some awesome coffee. Let's go check it out.
Got about 10 years invested into our lean endeavors, lean manufacturing, integrating a lot of cell technology, integrating a lot of fabrication with our assembly process, making a coffee machine that starts off as a flat sheet of metal when it enters the cell to a fully tested and ready to go brewer sitting in the box ready to go to shipping when it comes out of the cell. Start out flat, and you end up with your form. Before and after. So fanatical about quality, we're doing it. This is the clearance hole, and we're welding that over a larger hole to make it totally flush. So when you screw the leg in, you don't have one that's 30 thousandths off on one half of the diameter versus the other. So the bottleneck is your choke point, right? The area of your operations where you just don't have enough capacity to keep the flow of product running through it, and that becomes your bottleneck. And all your jobs start backing up behind your bottleneck. And it was really out of necessity that we started doing cellular manufacturing to eliminate this bottleneck.